How to get new user invites on your Temu links. Today in this video, I will show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. First, open the Temu app and then tap on the U icon in the bottom right here. From there, tap on Earn Credits and New Gifts. Choose any option from these. I'm going to choose the Lucky Flip in the bottom right there. In here, I should see this golden button in which I can tap on and copy my code or my link. So I tap there, but I always prefer to copy the link. So I'm going to copy link right there. Just like that, my link is copied. I can go ahead and quit the app completely now and go to Reddit. Make sure you are joined to this Temu code share thread and then tap on the plus button in the bottom. From there, create a message to attract the new users. So write something that looks like this and then paste your link there and tap on post in the top right corner. Once this is posted to that thread, people in that thread can join your link and you can go ahead and make money from that. You can also go to your Instagram if you have a lot of followers, so you tap on your story right there, choose a random picture and then swipe up from the bottom to access this list, tap on link, go ahead and paste your link there and then tap on done in the top right corner. From there you can even tap on the double A's in the top to add a text right there. So I'm going to tap on Temu discount or something attractive and then I'm going to drag it right on top of it. Just like that, I tap on your story and the story will be posted and people can join that link. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Also subscribe for future videos like this one and thank you for watching.